been a great experience, and I want to thank Rebuilding Together, Greater Bergen Realtors, also North Roads for helping out, and Glen Rock's Honor Society is helping out. So it's really a great experience today.
My name is Michael Pagan. I am the Mayor of Teaneck, and on behalf of the 42,000 residents who call Teaneck home, thank you so much, because we have a lot of good people in Teaneck, and sometimes they need help. And it's organizations like Rebuilding Together and Greater Bergen Realtors who often chip in and help. So thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.
Here we are at 208 Manhattan Avenue. We've been working all day, a couple weeks before too. We cleaned out this whole area. This whole garage had 30 yards of clutter that we loaded up in a big dumpster, took it out of here about 2 weeks ago. This is our second one. We're doing yard work, we're painting, we leveled the porch, we put in a new sink and countertop, we put a new floor in the kitchen, and we're painting a lot of the house. We have a lot of great stuff going on. We've got great people working with us. So awesome stuff. Rebuilding North Jersey, baby.
We're thankful to the Realtor Association and Community Services for having this as part of what we as realtors can do to give back to the community.